Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see how to set up a trade with like technical friends. And friends, today we are going to see what are the technicals I am adding to my trade. So see here 21 days moving average and 8 days moving average, and another one is 50 days moving average. And the next one is, if you observe here, I kept 8 days moving average at green color, and 21 days moving average at yellow color, and 50 days moving average at red color. And next one is MACD. See here, this is MACD, this is called MACD. And the next one is pivot points. So friends, if you observe here, pivot points means here center line, which is like CPR, central pivot point, and on top side three red lines will be there. They are R1, R2, and above this one red line is there, that is R3. And bottom side we have three green color lines, support 1, support 2, and support 3. So next thing is uh, ADX, and the next one is vertex, and next one is like parabolic SAR. Here if you are observing small dots like these are called parabolic SAR indicators, and I am going to explain you individually on this live trade. So observe here friends, I taken like Muthoot Finance. So already yesterday it given good results, and targets also increased for this share like 1700 to 1800. And from yesterday I think from 1300 onwards it is moving. See here, if you observe here 1304, from here it started upward movement, and continuously it moves like 1530, which is pivot point today, and which is R2. So in these cases also you gonna make things friends. uh, and next one friends, if you observe here, this R2 at 1530, today our share also reached there 1530, and 36 1536, and moved downward side. First I am going to explain you here uh, parabolic SAR. Friends, see here, parabolic SAR mixed with our candles means we don't know how it moves. If you observe here, if parabolic SAR comes below the candlesticks, so how much far this is? If it is far away from the candlesticks, then it's a heavy buy call. If it is close to the candlesticks, then we have to observe. But if it is moving away, see, the distance between these candles are very high, so it indicates still you can stay in trade. So if you observe here, if you take today's session, just I am keeping one day, that means today. And if you observe here at starting, it's that the candlesticks and the parabolic SAR long away, and if you observe it is moving close. See here, it is getting close, getting close. Here it indicating like you have to exit if you are in option trading, or if you are in intra trading, or it's long. That means if you have kept here like 3 months also, it will clearly indicates you. Wait a minute. Here if you are visible or not, I am not getting clearly. But friends, if you observe here, it's here one candle is upward direction. So I am keeping like this one day, and see here it indicates like uh, close to this candle on bottom side. That means here we can exit. And next, see friends, this red candle after you get parabolic SR on top side. So top side means clearly it's a sell signal. So, and one more thing you have to confirm along with this means, okay, first let it clearly explain. So see here, it is little close, but if you observe when it is moving, here it is far away from candlesticks means okay, it's clearly indicating selling signal is still there. So it's not a problem at all, we can hold in the share. See here, not share, trade. So here 1475, here parabolic SR still upward, still in top side, and we can hold in the trade, it's not a problem at all still. So next one which I am going to explain is like moving averages. Friends, whenever moving averages 8 days above to these two means still it is in positive direction. So when these moving averages will give clear indications means whenever share is trading in normal conditions, then it will give clear indication. See here, see here, share is trading normally, and you are getting like green and yellow and red all are close together. But if you see here the indication green color which is 8 days moving average above to 3, that means 50 days and 21 days, this indicates clearly a buy signal, and from here onwards it is moving buy. So if you kept 1 day, so clearly if you see here 20 days moving average came below, but here itself parabolic thing given good sell indication, and here it's confirmed like 8 days moving average crossed the 21 days moving average yellow line. So it's confirmed like still there is a selling in this counter. And uh, next thing friends, if you are still in trade you will get good money whenever it given here sell signal. And next thing which we are going to see is uh, this one, MACD. Friends, everyone, so many people know about MACD friends, and today we are going to see about this MACD. The line which red line up means it's a sell signal, green line upside means it's a buy call for the share. So that's the meaning for this. And the next one is vertex. So whenever vertex moves upward direction, that means if red line, see here, after reaching its peak like here, it shows like slight upward movement here. So that means here there is a selling possible. So see here, it went up, and even it crosses this line means it's purely a sell call. And if you take the strength in selling here, this ADX indicates the strength in selling. See here, the strength in selling is less when it is in bull. From here, the sellers came, it indicated slightly moving upward direction. If you take morning sessions, you can know here, see here, the bull green candle, green line which shows strength and moved up. But from here onwards, if you observe here, slight selling came, slight selling. So this indicates like selling and buying pressures from strength. What is the strength of the buy or sell signals? And vertex also seeing like purely it's a sell signal. So friends, if you want to come on buy side, you can observe this vertex. And next thing is MACD. So still here there is no option for buy side, still it is in sell side only. So friends, by looking MACD and vertex and this one parabolic SIR, we can take a buy call or sell call clearly friends with combinations of these three. So do you want any other thing? I will go and show you Reliance. Recently Reliance also given like good movements, right? So I am going to show you Reliance. And see friends, See friends, here today morning it moved from 2200 to opening 2220. After it moved to 2400 2250, I think it closes near 40 2250. 2250 is its high. And when the the trade here moved on upside, and it taken like a parabolic SR on top side, and which is a far away from this candle. That means it's a purely sell call. It is having good strength on a sell side, and up to here it is on sell side. See here, it here also it went up to like low 205. It went up to 205. After that it moved up. So how it's moving up or not, you have to take call from parabolic SAR. But friends, still here it is showing parabolic SAR sell side. But come to here, if you get green candle means come to like vortex. If you observe here, vortex showing you some positive signs in the trend. So it's like it is giving like buy side signals here. So if you are on sell side, exit there. Like if you are on P, like if you bought a P, you have to exit here. So it's like saving us our capital. And see here, when the trade is moving here, this 20 days moving average still on upside, and it is like moving along with this, and it break this 20 days moving average and keep moving up. So see here, the parabolic SR show is like buy side. It came below two trend candlesticks means it's on buy side. When parabolic SR is on upside means it's a sell side. If you clearly got a point right today. And so friends, that's it. If you like our videos friends, please subscribe my channel and share my channel friends. This is the most important thing in trading everything. And I will show you another example also, which one, like Lupin. Today Lupin also got some positive news in middle of the trades. If you observe here, like I kept in like 5 days, it's not visible clearly, but I make it 4 days. So friends, see here, after opening on high note, Lupin gets selling pressure. That's why the parabolic SAR on top side, and MACD red line also top side, and this what you called vertex red line also top side. But if you observe here, at one point from here it moved up because of like Lupin entering into healthcare medical devices space also. It went down, and see here, parabolic SR shows you buy signal. And whenever you are in this buy signal, you can stay and hold the share and see the trend. And after here, when it moves up, see here it's down and it's moving up. Whenever it shows downtrend, you have to exit here. So friends, this is what I want to show you. And if you observe here in a live trade, let's show something. Here you are getting like some buy candle. Here also you are getting buy candle, one red signal. But still here, like parabolic SR on sell side. But what we are going to see is here you get one buying signal from vertex. And next thing which we are going to see is this one ADX showing like this green candle, green line, which will move on upside, one positive up move. And if this still moves to like 0 point, here one indication is there, like 1.1. If still move towards 1.1, then it's clearly a buy signal friends. That's it. That's the way we have to take calls on these technical indicators. So thank you friends, thank you very much. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel.